Hi everyone! In this video, I wanna introduce you how to clean wood floor with rice water. I mean, rice rinsing water. When you use rice, when you cook rice, you rinse rice a lot, and I usually keep the second or third water in the pet bottle to clean the floor. And you can also clean sink and door and walls and anything. But when I clean floor, I also use vinegar. This is homemade lavender vinegar too. So I just wanna show you how I do that. And when you rinse rice, the rice water include small amount of starch and also lipid, I mean fat. So it works as a natural surfactant. So rice water is completely safe and biodegradable. So very eco-friendly and also pet safe. But really work to clean floor. I just cleaned this area quickly with the rice water. And even you didn't have time to clean your house for 1 month, when you use rice water, your floor become very clean. I usually use this microfiber cloth to clean the floor. I just drop rice water on the dried cloth and just like polish floor after I vacuumed completely. At first you need to vacuum well your floor, because if the surface has something, how can I say, hard stone or something, like it might hurt your floor. So you need to clean like all sands and dirt on the floor first. Especially when you have a pet, you tend to have sand. So vacuum first, then I polish. And rice water actually has many usage. You can also rinse your face, or when you chop many garlic, and when you cook fish, your hand become smelly, smell like fish. So I sometimes soak my hand in the rice water and like rub my hand well, and I can easily remove the bad smell too. And it's also moisture and soften my skin, so it contains many good nutrients for skin too. So it's also very good for people who have sensitive skin, because if you use like harsh chemical when you clean your house, your skin tend to become irritated and dry. So rice water is also the good option for such a people. And when I clean the floor, I mix a little bit, like a few drops of lavender vinegar into the rice water. So this water become a little bit acidic, and it really helps to clean shiny. And also the lipid in the rice water also works as a natural waxing, so floor become very smooth but also shiny. So it's very good idea for spring cleaning. And about lavender vinegar, I uploaded how to make this in my past video. So if you have an interest, please check the video. And I dilute lavender vinegar and put into spray bottle, and I just leave this spray in my bathroom and my husband's bathroom, so that I can clean glass and mirror and surface quickly when I wanna clean little bit. I also sometimes even wipe my body and armpit with this water, like diluted vinegar water, because it's good for deodorizing and also kill bad bacteria. So diluted vinegar is a good cleaning agent, but you can't use vinegar on any stone, because stone is a kind of like made with many minerals, so it might melt down the stone. So please don't use vinegar when you clean your marble. But just simple rice water you can use on any surface. And you should use fresh rice water when you rinse your rice. You should use this water within 1 day or at least 2 days. You can't use fermented rice water because it might be deteriorated. So I prefer to use fresh rice water, not old one. So don't keep rice water, just use fresh one. And Japanese people also use rice rinsing water to pre-boil vegetable which has bitterness like daikon radish or gobo, burdock roots, and satoimo, the mountain potatoes, and also konjac. And you can also remove bad smell of meat and chicken, so you can pre-boil meat or chicken or fish in the rice rinsing water to remove the smell. And your meat also become more tender and tastier when you soak chicken or meat in the rice water before cooking. So there are many usage of rice water. So please try to use this water for your natural cleaning. Yeah, when you clean glass with rice water, it really make your glass clean. So it's also recommendable because the starch absorb all like dirt on the surface of glass. And just please try. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.